Okay, as you can see, I have a master lock. Okay, no scratches, no dents, not open. Okay. See, we're gonna start off with this position. All right. Let's put this to the side as of now. What am I gonna open with first? Actually, let's discuss what can you open this with. A bobby pin, a clip, a fork, a knife, scissors, a fence cutter, anything basically. Fire. But we're not gonna do that. Even oil. I'm not gonna get the details, but you can open this with oil. I can't tell you details. Maybe another video. But what I'm gonna open this with, very easy, is this toothpick or diamond picker. I don't know what you wanna call it. We're gonna stick this into here. So the same exact way, right here. Okay, into this. I'm gonna stick it in, and we're gonna wiggle it. And then just wiggle and turn. Either way. That's supposed to take forever, but usually it's supposed to take about less than 30 seconds, but this time I don't know why I'm having bad luck. I'm not supposed to have bad luck. We're gonna stop for a second. Be right back, just gonna check my email. Nothing, actually. I'm back. Sorry about that. Okay. Basically, we're gonna stick this in. Oh, shit. Okay. Stick this in. And we're gonna... See how it is? Okay. See how we did it? We did it. Okay, it wasn't supposed to take that long in the beginning, but we're gonna do it again for you. Stick it in. And now that was quicker, you see? That's how you pick a lock. With and that is how you pick a lock with a lock. I'd like to thank you, and please visit my website at www.youtube.com/nextcourt, NXT-Court, or my future website, which is coming soon, www.nebrek.com. That's www.nebrek.com. That would mostly have features of photography, pictures, and etc., and how to pick locks, and how to do this and that. A few links to that. Anyway, check my YouTube at www.youtube.com/nexttalk in about an hour and a half. Alrighty, and have a good night. Thank you. Oh, and I forgot to tell you. The timing of that was 45 seconds in the beginning. From the second I started it, it was 25 seconds. But the whole minutes, I'm ending right now in 4 minutes. So, basically. But it did take me about 45 seconds. So, it shouldn't have taken that. It should have basically maximum take you. I used to do it in 15 seconds. I don't know why today I have mega luck, but maximum should take 25 seconds. Alrighty. Take care.